Hello everyone, myself Khushbu Verma, Technical Solution Specialist for Structures at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. I would like to welcome you all to today's insight on Structure Wizard. Before going into the session, allow me to introduce our organization, Capricorn Technologies. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the largest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. We are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with the best of our abilities. Capricorn Technologies is now a part of Arcane's Group. In today's insight, we will be learning about Structure Wizard. I'll be talking about truss models and frame models and different prototypes inside the Structure Wizard. And also I'll show you different templates inside different models and different prototypes. So allow me a moment to take you to the software part. Just give me a moment. So this is the graphical user interface of StartPro Connect Edition. Here you will see the geometry tab. Just click here. And here is an option of Structure Wizard. Just click here. So this is the window of a Structure Wizard. Here you can see different model types like truss models. When you go to the drop-down option, you can see the truss models, frame models option, and surface and plate models, etc. There are different model and prototypes available here. And inside the prototype, here you can see different templates like practice, varianters, etc. And here you can see inside the frame models, there are different templates like wave frame, grid frames, flow grid, etc. Today, I'll talk about the task models and frame models. So just I'll show you how you can create your structures or create your models just by inputting 2 or 3 data. And I'll show you. Here you can see the frame model option. Just click here on the wave frame. Double click here. Here you can see the different options or different inputs need to enter different parameters like you have to enter the length. Suppose I'm taking the length of the structure as 15 and taking the height as 12 and I'm taking the width as 12. Now I'm taking the number of ways along length as 5. So one way will be of 3 meter, 3, 5, 5, 3, 15. And number of ways along height I'm taking is 4. And number of ways along width I'm taking is 4. And then after inputting all the values, you will click here on apply. So here you can see your model has been created just by inputting 2 or 3 values. Similarly, if you want to take this model to the Start Pro main window, then you will click here on the transfer model option. This is how you can transfer your structure. You can create your structure with the help of Structure Wizard. Now I'll show you other different options. I'm going to delete it as of now. Just select the whole structure and press the delete button on the keyboard. Okay. All the beams are deleted. Here, a dialog box will open and show deleting beams has left some nodes with no structural element attached. Do you want to delete these nodes? You will click here on yes. Now I'll show you the other template inside the frame models. Just click here on the model type, select the frame models and then click here on the grid frame. Double click here, you will enter the value. I'm taking as default as of now, and then click on the apply button. Here you can see, this is how you can create your grid frame. In the grid frames, the bottom leaves or columns are also connected. If you want to transfer this model to the main window, just click here on the transfer model option. Select the value of X, Y, and Z coordinates and then click on OK. So this is how you can transfer a model from a structure wizard option to the structure to this type of connect additions main window. Similarly, if you want to add the truss on this structure, now I'll show you different truss models. Just you can see the model type. You will click here on the truss models, and you can see the different templates available inside the truss models like Pratt truss, Warren truss, etc. I'll show you about the Pratt truss and Warren truss as of now. Just click here on the Pratt truss. You can see different options available here. I'm taking the value of length as 12. Height I'm taking is 2 meter, and the width I'm taking is 12 meter. Similarly, you will enter the number of waves along the length as 4 and the number of waves along the width as 4, and then you will click here on apply. So this is how your Pratt truss will look like. Now, if you want to transfer this model or you want to merge this model to your existing project, you will click here on the transfer model. If you want to transfer this prototype into StatPro, yes. Now you can select the reference point where you want to apply this truss or merge this truss. So just click here on the reference point button. Here is the reference point. You will click here on OK and then select the point in the existing model and then click on OK button. So this is how you can merge your truss into the existing model of a StatPro. So this is all about the Pratt truss. Now I'll show you about different other options available in Structure Wizard. So here is an option of truss model. You will click here on the truss model and then select the option of Warren truss. Just double click here or you can drag this icon. Select the length, height, and width of the truss and select the number of waves along length and along width and click here on apply. So this is how your Warren truss will look like. Now you can transfer your model to the existing project. Click here on yes. You will select the reference point. Here is the reference point, and then you will click here on OK. Just select the point on the structure and then click on OK. So this is how you can merge your truss on the existing model. So this is all for today's insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the insight. Thank you. See you next week.